Well, if you want to come up with some things that you can post on your social media feeds and even some valuable phrasing and some questions to answer in your kind of traditional marketing and advertising in general, I would encourage going and getting the perspective about your business from someone or a number of someones who have nothing to do with the day-to-day workings of your business. In other words, they bring a completely different perspective because they're not inside your business. Ask them, how do they see your business? And listen to what they have to say, because the perspective that they're going to give you is probably a lot more representative of the public at large, the kinds of people that you're looking to connect to. And there's a good chance that you're speaking the language that the rest of the people in your industry speak. But the people that you're looking to connect to, they don't speak that way. They don't see it the same way. We're so close to what we do on a day-to-day basis that it's difficult to pull ourselves back and see those other perspectives. So ask someone else. Ask someone from outside your industry circle. Listen closely to what they have to say.